Hello and welcome to the P78 Quick Apply demo. The P78 Quick Apply add-on was developed for the SAP SuccessFactors recruiting module and facilitates a quick and easy application process for the candidate without previous registration, whereas in the standard SAP SuccessFactors setup, applying without prior registration and password creation is not possible. In the following demo, we will show you the application process from the candidate's perspective until the moment the application has been sent, and then we switch to the recruiter's perspective after the application has been received by SAP SuccessFactors. On the current page, we can see the P78 Quick Apply in the P78 Corporate Design. The design can be adapted to each customer's corporate design. Before starting the demo, let's look at the requisition architecture in SAP SuccessFactors. Here, we have an English job requisition for which pre-screening questions have been defined. Now let's start the demo. The Quick Apply shows the job title, which in this case is P78 Sales Manager, and informs the applicant which documents are required for the application. For this application, we only need to upload a CV to move on to the next page. The document requirements can be configured for each template and should match the configuration of the corresponding application template in SAP SuccessFactors. For example, you could set the CV as the only required document for blue-collar jobs, while applications for student jobs would need to include a cover letter and a CV. Now let's upload some documents and select their corresponding document type. This determines where the recruiter can find the document when accessing the application. You can see that the fields containing the candidate data have been automatically filled by our CV parsing service. This saves the applicant a lot of time during the application process. All common file formats are supported for the parsing engine. Under the section Additional Information, you can find the custom fields that have been configured by the customer. Here, the pre-screening questions are displayed if they have been configured in SAP SuccessFactors for the respective job requisition. After answering the pre-screening questions, the applicant can have another look at the documents they have uploaded. Then, the candidate can decide who is allowed to see the application. At last, they have to confirm that they have read the data privacy statement before they can submit their application. On the final screen, the candidate is informed that their application has been sent successfully. Now we are switching to the recruiter's point of view, and we are looking for the candidate who just applied. All relevant data has been received. Here we see the CV, the cover letter, and the additional document. And here we can also see the answers to the pre-screening question. When applying via the Quick Apply, a candidate profile and an application are created, but no password is set. After the applicant has successfully submitted their application, they receive an email. If the candidate wants to upload additional documents or make changes to his candidate profile, he can set his password by clicking on this link. When clicking on this link, the candidate can create a password through the SuccessFactors standard functionality. Now we want to see what happens when a candidate applies to a different position, but with the same email address that is already linked to his SAP SuccessFactors candidate profile. For that, let's apply to another position. Here, Marketing Specialist. Our candidate has the same email address, but he has a different last name and also a different address. Let's fill in some information so that we can submit the application. The Quick Apply has detected that the candidate already has a profile in SuccessFactors and has sent the candidate an OTP code to verify his identity. The OTP code has been sent to the candidate's email address. If the OTP code is correct, the applicant is forwarded to the success screen and receives an update if the application was sent successfully. Like before, we can find the application in the SuccessFactors system. As we can see, the candidate's name and address has changed. Now let's take a look at the previous job requisition and see what has changed. As you can see, we still have the last name from before, and all the data is the same. It's also the old address. But if we click here under our candidate profile, we actually have the new data. So you can see, also multiple applications are possible without any additional efforts with the P78 Quick Apply. This brings us to the end of our demo. We've summarized all the key facts about the P78 Quick Apply in comparison with the SAP SuccessFactors Standard as well as SAP SuccessFactors Quick Apply. If you have any questions about the product or its implementation, please don't hesitate to reach out to us. Thank you very much for your attention, and we hope to see you again soon, perhaps in our next product demo.